Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be making a slouch hat today, and this hat is a matching hat for the scarf that I just finished, and I used this one whole skein of yarn for the set. This is by Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo Stripes, and also this is 10 ounce or 283 grams, and this is a number for medium. Okay, and also I will be using this size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, so you will also need that yarn needle and a scissor to cut the yarn. Okay, if you are ready guys, let's begin. Okay, to begin, we are going to make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, then remove the ring. And into the ring, we are going to make 12 double crochet. So let's begin with the chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now we are going to close the ring. We have 2 strands here. One is in the outside and one is in the inside here. The one from the inside, we are going to pull that halfway from left to the right. Okay, just like that. And this tail, we are going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3, join it with slip stitch. Okay, this tail, either you can crochet it along as you go, or you can leave it here and then come back later to weave it. I'm going to leave it here. So make a chain 3 for the round 2, and into the same stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and we are going to continue making 2 double crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead guys and finish your 2 double crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round guys, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and I have the total of 24 double crochet around. Now for the round 3, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 2 double crochet into the first double crochet. Okay, now we are going to make a chain 3, then skip the next double, and into the next double make 2 double crochet. Like that. Then make a chain 3, skip the next double, and 2 double crochet into the next. Chain 3. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip the next double and 2 double crochet into the next, then chain 3, skip the next double, 2 double crochet into the next. I finished my round guys, and I have the total of 12 double crochet groups. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now for the round 4, we are going to slip stitch into the double crochet here, the next double, slip stitch, and then slip stitch into the next single, then slip stitch into the center single. Now we are going to make a chain of 3, and into the same stitch we are going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and and 4. We have the total of 5, 2, 4, 5. And we are going to skip this 2 double, and into the center of this chain 3 space we are going to make 5 double crochet. So skip this single and 5 double crochet into the next single. Then we are going to do the same for the next chain 3 space. Skip this 2 double, skip the next single, and 5 double crochet into the next single. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is it bright, guys? Okay, go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make 5 double crochet into each center of the chain 3 spaces around like this. And I will turn on my light because it looks like it is dark here on my side. Okay, go ahead guys, finish your round 4 and I will meet you for the joining. I finished the round 4 and I have 12 groups of 5 double crochet here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, now for the round 5 we're going to make a chain 3, and then this is first double, and then plus chain 3. This is the chain 3 space, and into the last double crochet of this group. Okay, we're going to skip the 3 double, 1, 2, 3 into the last, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, then chain 3, and into the first double of this group make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now we just finished the increase, okay, using the last double and the first double of these two groups. Okay, now make a chain 3, and we're going to skip the 3 double crochet into the last double, make 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet into the first double of the next group, then make a chain 3, and we are going to do the increase like this using the last double and the first double of the 2 double crochet groups. Okay, let's go and do the increase, 1 and 2 into the same double, then make a chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the next double, 1, 2. Okay, so we have the second increase, and make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the last double of this group, and 1 double crochet into the first double like that. Are you following me? And then make a chain 3 and then increase again for the next, 2 double crochet into the last double, then chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the first double. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make chain 3 and then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then chain 3, make 2 double crochet and chain 3, then 2 double crochet, just like this. Okay, so for this next is like this, for the next is like this. Do this alternately like this one here, and I will meet you before the joining. Okay, I finished my round, and before we do the joining I have 6 groups of increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for the joining we are going to make 1 double crochet into the last double of this 5 double crochet group. and we are going to join it with slip stitch into the third chain. 1 2 3, join it with slip stitch. And for the round 6, we are going to slip stitch into the first chain, then slip stitch into the second chain, okay, and make a chain 3, and into the same stitch we are going to make 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. So we have 5 double crochet into the same stitch, and we are going to make 5 double crochet into the center of this chain 3 space. At the center chain, make 5 double crochet, then 5 double crochet into the center chain of the next chain 3 space. Now I want you to repeat this around. Okay, make 5 double crochet into each center chain of the chain 3 spaces around. Okay, go ahead and finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round and I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and I have the total of 18 5 double crochet groups. Okay, now for the round 7, we're going to make a chain 3 plus chain 3. So we have 6 chain, and into the last double here we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the next double, and chain 3, and into the last double of this group make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the first double, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the last double, and 1 double crochet into the first double, chain 3. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Skip the next 3 double, and into the last double make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then chain 3, skip this 3, 1 double, 1 double, chain 3, skip this 3, 1 double, 1 double. Go ahead and finish your round repeating this pattern, and then I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, before we join, we still need to make 1 double crochet into the last double of this group, then join it with slip stitch into the third chain. 1 2 3, slip stitch there, and I have the total of 18 double crochet group. So for the remaining rounds, I want you to repeat round 6 and round 7. For the round 6, make 5 double crochet in the center of each chain 3 spaces. Okay, and for the round 7, do it like this. So repeat round 6 and 7 alternately until you have 12 inches long from the beginning of the round all the way down to the last round that you are making. So go ahead guys, finish your remaining rounds, and I will meet you for the brim. Okay guys, I finished my remaining rounds. Okay, this is how it looks like. And now for the brim, okay, for the brim, we're going to make a chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, and then into this chain 3 space make 2 single crochet, then single crochet into each of the next 2 double, 2 single crochet into the next space, single crochet into each of the next 2 double, and I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. make 2 single crochet into the next space, 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 single crochet into the next space, 1 single crochet into each of the next 2. Repeat this around and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my single crochet around and I have the total of 72 single crochet, and I join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. Now for the round 2 of the brim, make a chain 2, and we are going to make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch and 1/2 double crochet into the next. Now I want you to go ahead and repeat making 1/2 double crochet into each stitches around, and when you finish the round you should have the total of 72 half double crochet. So go ahead guys, finish your round and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round guys, and now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and for the round 3 of the brim, make a chain 2 and make 1 front post half double crochet around the next half, 1 back post half double crochet around the next, front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next. And I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make front post half double crochet, back post half double crochet alternately until you finish the round, and I will meet you for the joining. Should be like this, okay? Go ahead, repeat front post and back post alternately, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. And now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And for the next round, make a chain 2 and make 1 front post half double crochet around the first front post, back post half double crochet around the next back post, front post half double crochet around the next front post, back post half around the next back post, front post half around the next front post. And I want you to go ahead and finish your round making this pattern alternately, front post and back post, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my round and my last stitch is front post half double crochet, and I join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain 2 on top of the beginning chain 2. I am going to lock my work here, but if you want your brim a little bit wider, you can just go ahead and repeat this last round that we just finished a couple more times. And this hat measures 20 inches, 20 to 22 inches in circumference, and the length is 14 inches long. Okay, so we finished another project guys. This fits from teens to adult size. If you have question about the stitches, go ahead and leave a comment. And also for the matching scarf of this, I am going to add the link into the description box of this tutorial, and I will do the same into the description box of the scarf tutorial for this hat. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoy crocheting along with me today. Please go ahead and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and like and share my videos. Thank you so much, and see you again for the next tutorial.